Hi guys, welcome to Mark Bajerski YouTube channel. It's been a busy day. I have not stopped all day. We've been working full on. All the girls at the office have been working really hard at Sleeping Buddha. So everything's been great. Here, just hang on a minute. Oh, what's he up to? What's he up to? Come on, sit down, Tracy. He's doing something. Watch him. Are you ready? Oh, is that beautiful? Oh, wow. I'll shake some stuff out of you. I just had to get it. So we will be doing very shortly a beautiful meditation with sound therapy, and that will be the beginning and the end. Should be great. Right, today we probably a lot of you are already seen it. We've just put up a special offer. The reason why will relate to the video that I'll link below, so please watch it if you haven't. And it's regards to people that may be going through a really challenging time right now with experiencing what's called illness in their body. So it could be that you've been very fit and very healthy, and then all of a sudden you may have decided to do something that now you regret. And that could be something that's now entered into your body through your skin and is now causing the whole of your system to go into some kind of toxic shock. And it's affecting thousands upon thousands of people. Well, what happened was, if you watch the video, I noticed a certain person who had done something to himself twice. And I saw, as I do literally hundreds now, the deterioration of these people. And he never said anything, but I could see it every day. It was just getting worse and worse until the day I said, I can't cope with this no more. And I basically grabbed 3 oils and my sage and ran to this person, and please watch the video. Anyway, after that, I can honestly say that there was a huge improvement. And up till to this day, right now, I've seen that improvement stay. So that is good news. So I've also been hearing from other people who started the very same thing and who are now saying that they are also seeing great, at least help, at least a new energy, at least a new feeling like they're better, a little bit stronger, a little bit cleansed, a little bit clearer. It works. So it's something that you can do. So then I got thinking about it, and I always said that I wouldn't sell my one of my oils, which I'm not going to do in this, but what I'm doing is I'm putting a special offer up, and the special offer will be exactly what I grabbed when I ran to give the healing session. So basically, I grabbed my bowl of sage. So what I've done is I'm doing this offer for you guys. So what it is it's 1 sage, it's a big bag, 2 bags of sages, 3 bags of sages. Now these sages are 100% organic. They are pesticide free, they're all cleansed, they're from the Alpujarras, and they're amazing. Also, there is a cleansing oil, and I will revert back to the video so you can see. There is the purifying oil, which will be a gift, and then there is the awakening oil. Now if you watch the video, so those 3 oils and the 3 sages will be wrapped lovingly, and they will be sent by, which is the most expensive part of this, DHL, which means that it's going to come to you between 1 and 7 days. That's brilliant. And the price is what I have calculated with the payment of the DHL, with the value of the 2 oils and the sage, the wrapping, and for my staff to wrap and pack for their wages. So I just cover everything. So I think it's a good deal. I think it's great that it's coming by DHL, and I hope you enjoy this. Now, listen, I haven't got that many purifying oils, so this will only last for the amount of time that the purification oil is available. Okay, so that's the best I can do. Enjoy it. I'll leave the link below, and follow the video on how to use it. Okay. I don't know if it's on that one video. I think it will be. Yes, it is on that one video. So if you do place the order, revert back to that video, save that video, save it somewhere, and then soon as this arrives, between 1 and 7 days, you can then start the healing process on anybody you know who is suffering from you know what. Okay, it's a shame I can't say what, but you know what. That's it. I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to leave it here. I am actually going to leave it here. So from my heart to your heart, good evening, guys.